What's up guys, my name is Tony and today we are talking about me collaborating with Serif Technology. They make the application Affinity Photo. They asked me to share my process. This video isn't sponsored. Stick around. I knew that the art factory would give us a lot of variety. It has like over 100,000 square feet. Ended up on the 4th floor. We set up the lights, we created different sets. I had purchased some really interesting backgrounds. For me in this shoot was to really embrace like that moodier, darker kind of vibe. It was a little chilly, but everybody was a good trooper. The stylist for this project was Nigeria. She has a really intricate eye for detail. Whatley reminding me, hey, this is the time when the team should maybe eat, or this is the pizza spot that I think is cool. Keene was on the BTS. And then we had my friend Kurt. We've collaborated many times, so he decided to tag along. We had our model Ruby. I have to say that she knocked it out of the park. I really appreciate all the friends that I was able to work with. Definitely be on the lookout for more of the work that we create. Thank you so much, Jess. She was my contact person. To the art directors there, I really appreciate you guys liking my process and my photography. It means a lot. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button or hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. See you on the flip side. Start your dreams.
There we go.
Thought it was just a dream, best I'd have never seen. Playing on the greatest team, got myself and me. I got that new thing, new style, new walk. I got that new vibe.